Did you know that over 30% of bloggers make a full-time living from their keyboard antics? That's right, 30%. Like the number of days you've been procrastinating to start your own blog. Now, if that hasn't made you sit up straighter, let's delve a little deeper. Blogging isn't just about sharing your latest cooking disaster or your pet's antics. It's a flourishing industry, a goldmine waiting to be discovered. From providing valuable insights, sharing personal stories, to even reviewing the latest gadgets, bloggers are raking in the dough while doing what they love. It's like hitting the jackpot without even setting foot in a casino. Now, isn't that a cheeky way to make a living? So if you've been on the fence about starting your blog, it's high time you jumped off and joined the 30% club. And don't worry, we're here to show you how. Choosing a niche for your blog is like choosing a partner for a three-legged race. You want someone who complements your strengths, not trips you over, or worse, bores you to death. The niche you choose is the foundation of your blog. It's the theme or topic that you'll be writing about, and it's what will draw your audience in. You see, your niche is like the secret sauce to your blog. It's that special ingredient that makes your blog unique and irresistible to your readers. Think about it. Would you rather read a blog that's all over the place or one that's focused and consistent? The former is like a box of chocolates with missing labels. Sure, some may enjoy the element of surprise, but most of us would probably prefer to know what we're biting into. Now, finding your niche isn't always a walk in the park. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack while wearing a blindfold. But don't worry, there's a method to this madness. Here's a tip. Think about what you're passionate about and what you're good at. The intersection of these two is a good place to start. For instance, if you're a whiz in the kitchen and you love sharing your recipes, then food blogging could be your niche. Or if you're a fashionista with a knack for finding the best deals, then a budget fashion blog could be your ticket to success. And let's not forget about profitability. Some niches are more profitable than others. For example, personal finance and health and wellness are two niches that are known to be quite lucrative. But remember, passion and expertise should come first. After all, you don't want to be stuck writing about something you couldn't care less about. That's how blogs die a slow and painful death. So, take your time, explore your interests, your strengths, and the market. And remember, choosing a niche is like choosing a partner for a three-legged race. You want a niche that complements your strengths, keeps your readers engaged, and hopefully, doesn't bore you to death. Remember, the right niche can make your blog soar, but the wrong one can make it feel like you're stuck in an endless three-legged race. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to start cooking up some content. And no, I don't mean a bland microwave TV dinner of a blog post. Imagine you're a chef. Your blog is your restaurant, and your content, that's the menu. Now, you wouldn't want your customers to leave your restaurant unsatisfied, right? So you aim to serve them delectable dishes that keep them coming back for more. That's essentially what you're doing with your blog. Creating engaging content, my friends, is the secret sauce to a successful blog. It's what will keep your readers hooked, making them want to revisit your blog, share your posts, and ultimately, help you monetize it. So how do you cook up this engaging content? Well, just like a chef would, you need to know your ingredients and how to use them. These ingredients are your words, ideas, experiences, and knowledge. Mix them all together in a way that resonates with your audience. And voila! You've got yourself a delicious blog post. But wait, there's more to it. You need to add a dash of humor here, a sprinkle of wit there, and a generous dollop of creativity everywhere. Make your content relatable and intriguing. Stir up emotions, provoke thoughts, and challenge norms. Remember, your blog post isn't a one-pot dish, it's a multi-course meal. So, break it down into digestible sections, an appetizing introduction, a hearty main course, and a satisfying conclusion. Use catchy headlines and subheadings, and spice it up with visuals. And finally, don't forget to taste test. Proofread your posts, refine them, and make sure they're just right. Because when it comes to blogging, there's no room for half-baked content. There you have it. The secret sauce to a successful blog isn't some mysterious ingredient. It's the time, effort, and creativity you put into crafting engaging content. So whip out your creative spatula and start cooking up some content that your readers will devour. So, you've got your niche, you've got your content, now what? Well, it's time to start raking in the dough, my friend. But the question is, how? How do you turn your blog into a money-making machine? Let's dive in. First up, advertising. It's like a bake sale. But instead of selling cookies, you're selling ad space. You've got a few options here. There's the old faithful, Google AdSense, which can be a great way to start. But don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider other networks like media.net or infolinks, and remember, the key is to keep ads relevant and non-intrusive. Next, we have sponsorships. Think of it as being a race car driver, but instead of a logo on your jumpsuit, it's on your blog. Companies pay you to feature their products or services in your posts. It's like having a silent business partner who pays you to do what you love. Then there's the golden goose of blog monetization, affiliate marketing. You're essentially a middleman, recommending products or services to your readers, and getting a commission every time a sale is made through your referral link. It's like being a real estate agent, but for stuff on the internet. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate are some popular platforms to start with. Let's not forget about selling your own products or services. If you've got a talent for knitting cat sweaters or a knack for coaching aspiring bloggers, monetize it. It's your blog after all. Now, it's important to remember that not every monetization strategy will work for every blog. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Your blog is unique, and so should your monetization strategy be. Experiment, test, and tweak until you find what works best for you. And remember, patience is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your blog be. But stick with it, and you'll see the fruits of your labor. With the right strategies, your blog won't just be a passion project, it'll be your own personal goldmine. All right, folks, we've given you the tools. Now it's time for you to build your blogging empire. You're armed with the knowledge and the strategies to carve out your own corner in this vast digital universe. Picture it, your words, your thoughts, your passion streaming out into the world, inspiring, educating, and entertaining your readers. And remember, every great journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single blog post. So why not take that step today? Start your blog, create that first piece of content, and let us know how it goes. We're excited to hear about your experiences, your triumphs, and yes, even your challenges. Because here's the thing. We're in this together. We're a community of creators, aspiring and experienced, who learn from each other, grow with each other, and celebrate each other's successes. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start blogging, and join the 30% Club. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your journey with us in the comments. Happy blogging!